Ever found yourself in the throes of a seemingly uphill battle to gain weight and muscle? Indeed, many of us face this struggle, creating feelings of mountainous challenge. The solution, however, might not be in the gym, but the kitchen. As overwhelming as nutritional information can be, it holds the key to transforming your health. This journey isn't just about eating more, it's about making informed, mindful choices. Indiscriminate eating won't lead to the desired results. Instead, it's balance, protein, hydration, and quality over quantity. Food can directly impact how you feel and look. Understanding the value of what you consume is vital. Harnessing the power of nutrition can lead to a healthier, stronger you. Apply mindful consumption, making right choices to fuel your body effectively. Remember, it's not about eating more, it's about eating right. First on the list are lean proteins, crucial for those aspiring for a healthier lifestyle. Ponder over lean proteins. What appears? Indeed, you're right. Options like chicken, turkey, and fish, among others. Also, for meat enthusiasts, lean cuts of red meat are a winner. Be it a succulent steak or a well-cooked roast, choose leaner cuts to keep the fat at bay. This versatility ensures a balanced diet focusing on protein intake. The distinctive aspect of these proteins? Their nutritional content. They're packed with vital amino acids, the protein building blocks our body can't generate. It's vital to include these in our diet. Amino acids are key in body functioning, especially in repairing body tissues. For athletes or fitness lovers, lean proteins help in rapid muscle recovery. They assist in repairing and building muscle tissue efficiently, improving strength and endurance. In summary, if you're looking to boost your fitness and health regime, don't overlook the importance of lean proteins in your diet. Despite their often overlooked status, they truly are the all-stars of a balanced diet. Consider complex carbohydrates, the pillar that supports sustained energy. Key sources include whole grains and brown rice, powerhouses of nutrition that offer a slow release of energy to sustain you through intense workouts. Brown rice is packed with magnesium, iron, and vitamin B, essential for energy production. Thus, it's an excellent choice for those needing endurance for strenuous activities. Then there's sweet potatoes, a delightful food loaded with health benefits. Their high carb content makes them a perfect energy source for workouts. These foods not only fuel workout sessions, but also aid in recovery. They replenish muscle glycogen stores and promote accelerated recovery, reducing muscle soreness and fatigue. Therefore, when needing an energy boost, remember to load up on these complex carbohydrates. Don't forget about nuts and seeds too. In a world where unhealthy snacks are plentiful, these small but mighty powerhouses offer a nutritious alternative. Almonds are loaded with monounsaturated fats, protein, and fiber that promote satiety. Walnuts, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, help reduce heart disease risk. Flax seeds, packed with antioxidants and dietary fiber, are beneficial for digestion. And chia seeds, tiny black superfoods, are brimming with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Both can be easily added to any meal or snack for a nutritional boost. Not just healthful, these nibbles also support muscle growth. Their protein content aids muscle repair and buildup, and they provide sustained energy, curbing the need for constant snacking. Remember, not all snacks are created equal. Almonds, walnuts, flax seeds, and chia seeds are an excellent choice, high in healthy fats and fiber, offering energy and supporting muscle growth. How about some fruits and vegetables? Their significance extends beyond health benefits. They play a large role in both our physical and mental well-being. Consider spinach, a nutrient-rich leafy green, or broccoli, which is abundant in antioxidants. Fruits like bananas offer potassium for maintaining heart health, while berries provide antioxidants, fiber, and vitamins. These fruits and veggies are renowned for their versatility. You can indulge in them as salads, smoothies, stir-fries, or even snacks. They do more than just maintain health, they support muscle function, vital for an active lifestyle. So instead of a processed snack, why not opt for these nutritious alternatives? The choices we make now can greatly impact our health in the future. Bananas, berries, spinach, and broccoli are jam-packed with vitamins and minerals that support overall health and muscle function. Now, imagine making easy meals with these foods. Start your day with a breakfast of creamy Greek yogurt. Subtly sour and rich in protein, it's the perfect base. Top it with a generous handful of fresh, juicy berries. Laden with antioxidants, these little powerhouses add a delightful sweetness to your meal. Don't forget a sprinkle of chia seeds. They're tiny but mighty, packed full of fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Moving to lunch, think about a hearty serving of succulent grilled chicken, perfectly seasoned and bursting with flavor. Pair it with brown rice, a complex carbohydrate that keeps you full for longer. Add a side of broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable filled with fiber and vitamins to balance your meal. For your snack, opt for a hour of almonds. These nuts are rich in healthy fats and protein, satisfying your hunger pangs between meals. When it's time for dinner, consider a dish of tender baked fish. This lean protein is wonderfully versatile, goes well with a side of sweet potatoes, which are packed with vitamin A and fiber. Complement this with a serving of iron-rich spinach. Finally, end your day with a smoothie. Blend together a ripe banana, fresh spinach, and a spoonful of flax seeds. This drink is not just tasty, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Delicious, isn't it? To sum up, gaining weight and muscle isn't about eating more. It's about eating right. Include nutritious food groups in your daily meals, such as lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and other healthy options. Foods like nuts and seeds, fruits and vegetables, dairy, and healthy oils provide vital nutrients. Preparing nutritious meals is not complex. It's about incorporating the right food groups in right quantities. Remember, the journey to gain weight and build muscle is not a sprint, but a marathon. Each step you take brings you closer to achieving your health goals. With determination and the right information, you're equipped to conquer. It's not merely about gaining weight, but building a stronger, healthier version of you. It's no longer a daunting task, but an exciting journey. Enjoy every meal, every bite, every moment of your nutritional adventure. It's not an uphill battle anymore. It's a path, a journey, an adventure. Enjoy every bite, every meal, every moment of it.